Let's make party ribs. So we're gonna start off with some baby back ribs I got from my local grocery store, Fry's or Kroger. Just gonna pat it dry. So I'm gonna do 0 trimming to this thing because they're already pretty much trimmed pretty nice. So I will flip it over. There's a little membrane in the back here that we need to take off. So the best way to do this, people like to start on one end or another end and use their hands. Get yourself a paper towel. Count 2 bones in. So 1, 2. So at the 2.5 mark, you're just gonna peel up, peel up, peel up, and then it'll come off just like that. Voila. All right, well, okay, I lied. We're gonna do a little trimming here. There's some little fat hanging here. Get rid of some of that, all right. All right, so now we are going to cut down between the bones. Now that your ribs are cut down, they should look like that. Little meat on a stick right there. Little rib on a stick, all right. So we're gonna pull these to the side. We're gonna get us a cooling rack. Get this cooling rack out. And then I'm gonna spray it with some Pam, because I don't want my ribs sticking. Now you can go straight to the grate if you'd like, or I like this just because it's easy transportation, it's easy to move around. All right, we're gonna start off first with our Chipotle mango rub. We're gonna just do a light layer of this. You can use any pork rub, any barbecue rub, whatever your favorite rub is. I just like using my stuff. This is the Chipotle mango. It's got a little kick to it. Got a little mango action, which is great on pork. Okay, we're gonna do a little tap, tap, tap. Then we're gonna flip them over. Okay, hit them again. Chipotle mango. Whew, these smell good. Love this rub. Now I could go straight on the smoker just like this, but I like to layer flavors. So I'm going to also add our Arizona Cajun rub to this. Give it a nice little color and a little bit more of a kick. Look at that. Tap, 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 tap. All right, we're gonna let these sit, let them sweat for about 20 or 30 minutes, and we're gonna go fire up the grill. Today we're using a Green Mountain grill. It's a pellet grill. It's so nice. I like to go out there, I like to hit the button. I don't wanna light charcoal or anything like that. It's too damn hot, so I'm gonna fire it up and we're gonna throw these ribs on. All right, all party ribs. Woo-hoo. They sweated for about 10, 15 minutes. The smoker got up, 150. I cranked it up to 300 degrees. And now we go on the smoker. All right, so now we're gonna let these bad boys go for 45 minutes. I'm gonna start a timer, 45 minutes. We're gonna come back, check them out. They should be close. They should be close. Should be about an hour. We're looking to get these ribs over 200 degrees. And now we're gonna go make a cool little sauce that we are going to add on top of our party ribs. So now we're gonna need a barbecue sauce. Now I got a one of my favorites. It's Blues Hog barbecue sauce. You can use Sweet Baby Ray's, anything you find at the grocery store, or anything that you like. But see how thick the barbecue sauce is? I don't want to add this to my ribs. I don't want it real thick, full of sauce. I just want a nice light glaze. So in the competition world, we all have our barbecue sauces we all like, and we also all make our own. So for me to dilute this so it's not so thick, I'm going to add a little bit of root beer. Now, you can add fruit juices, you can use apple juice, you can use pineapple juice to kind of break up your sauce, because I want the sauce thin. As you can see it, I want a nice thin sauce. I just want to glaze the ribs, that's it. And I think adding root beer or adding, your juices or whatever to the sauce, that helps thin it out. And plus, I like using root beer because it gives it a little twang, gives it a little tizzle. All right, so I'm gonna mix this up. I'm gonna let this sit, and let's go check on our ribs. All right, 40 minutes in, let's check them. Whoo, dang, those look good. Let's check the temp. 129, 130. 129, 134. Awesome. All right, so now, after 40 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and flip these over. Another 40 minutes and we'll come back and check them out. All right, 20 minutes in and we're getting close. So let's just do a quick temp. Ooh, 145. Okay, now the time for me to start glazing. Woo-hoo. So we're gonna glaze the top side and then we're gonna flip them over and glaze them again. Whew. All right, these suckers just came right off the grill. So I'm probably gonna burn the roof of my mouth, but I don't care because they smell so good. Tender, juicy. You're gonna have to make these party ribs. Y'all enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Cheers. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.